Before I got fried, before I so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is in partnership with Fashion Nova, and I am coming to you guys with a spring summer dress haul. Now I know those of you guys who are in the southern hemisphere like I am are currently transitioning into the cooler weather, so this one is specifically for those of you guys who are going into spring summer, which I know is a lot of you, so this one is specifically for you. Those of you guys who have been with me for a while would know that when it comes to my wardrobe, I am very much so a nude, neutrals, monochromatic, plain and simple kind of girl. I don't really reach into prints and patterns. However, with this haul I did branch out a little bit, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I picked out, because once again I'm trying something new and I didn't think I would be too into it, but I really liked it. So if you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get into the haul. Now the first thing that I wanted to show you guys are a pair of shoes, specifically heels. This is them right here. Now I love these. I have been seeing this type of style floating around a lot lately, especially on Instagram. I've seen so many people wearing them and styling them with different outfits, and there's just something about them, like they're plain, simple, clean, classic looking, but I also love the fact that they do have this like faux crocodile print throughout it. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it does have like a sort of animal crocodile print from what I can see. I also appreciate the fact that the heel does flare out ever so slightly, so it does give you just a little bit of extra support. But yeah, I picked these out because I felt like they were a pair that are very trendy at the moment, that would go with pretty much every single dress that I'm going to show you guys. And plus, like I said, they are very classic looking, so I feel like I could style these with so many different outfits, and you guys already know they're white, which just so happens to be a color that I do wear on the regular, so I knew I had to pick these up for this haul. The next thing that I want to talk about is something that I'm currently wearing, which is this dress. Now this is so, like, the way that I describe it is very sweet looking. This is the Dollhouse Dream Satin mini dress, and it is so cute, you guys. I love the detailing around the bust and the shoulder. I just love all that frilly and the ruching. It's so flattering, and I feel like that's very much my style lately. And above that, I feel like it definitely screams spring, which you guys will see in this haul. There is a lot of like frills and ruffles kind of going on. I can't remember off the top of my head if there are other colors, and this color is described as being peach. However, for me, I feel like it looks more of like a mauvey pink type of shade, like a dusty pink is how I would describe it. For reference, I picked mine up in an extra small, and I feel like it fits me really nicely around my waist and my chest. And yeah, I just love how fitted it is on the top, and then it flows out down the bottom, which I think is very flattering when you have a dress that kind of cinches in at the waist and is flowy for the rest of the way. I feel like that is a very flattering, especially if you have an hourglass figure. Next dress that I have to show you guys is this one right here. Now this is the Berry Butte printed mini dress. First off, I have to say that I adore this print. It is so sweet, just the little red berries. It's so cute to me, really, really cute. For reference, just like all the other dresses, I did pick this up in a size extra small. Once again, I love the fact that it is double lined. So we have the printed fabric itself and then a lined fabric underneath, which is always good, especially in the summer. You don't want anything peeking out. Now, the interesting thing about this is that I thought it could only be worn like with the sleeves up over the shoulders, but you can totally like drop them down and make it like a off the shoulder kind of dress as well, which I thought it looked really cute either way. As you guys can see, it is backless, but we do have the 2 strings back there to tie up. My only issue with that is it's really hard to tie things or zip things up at the back by yourself, and I don't have anybody to help me with that. So I did struggle a little bit, like trying to get it tied up back there, but I figured it out in the end. And I just think this is a really cute, sweet summer dress. I could totally picture wearing this, even not with heels. Like, you could wear it with white sneakers, kind of dress it down a little bit, or you could wear it with the white heels like I have. But I just think it's one of those dresses that you can definitely dress up and dress down, and it does give off that really cute, sweet, like summery type of vibe, which is why I picked it out. So the next item that I have to show you guys is the Innocence is Bliss white mini dress. Now, I don't know what it is. I think it's my short hair. I really like things that are like high neck. I feel like it looks flattering on myself just because I've got my short haircut at the moment. So that's kind of a thing that I've been into lately, is like anything with a high neckline. But yeah, you guys already know that I had to pick out like a simple white dress, and this is like not so plain and simple. Like, there's a little bit of extra bit to it. So like I said, it's got the high neckline, and it is like nice and cute and ruffly around the neckline as well. Along with the bottom too, it does have like the ruffled hem along the bottom. But it does have like this crocheted, I believe it's like a crochet applique along the front, which kind of gives it a different feel. And then it also does have like pleating down the middle. So I would picture wearing this like to a Sunday brunch. If you're going out to lunch with your family or something, I feel like you could wear this. And I just felt like it was very flattering because it does get tight around the waist, and once again it flares out, especially at the bottom hem, because it does have that ruffled hemline. So yeah, I feel like this dress would be perfect for a spring day when it's not too hot just yet, because we've got the high neckline, so it kind of keeps you covered, but it's short as well, so if it gets hot later on during the day, you have nothing to worry about. Next up, I have to show you a dress that I never thought I would have liked, but I ended up really liking this. It was definitely one of my favorites out of all the dresses that I picked. So this is the Before You Bloom floral mini dress, and you guys can already tell from the print that this is definitely something that I usually wouldn't pick for myself. However, I really liked it, and the style of it is so cute. So as you guys can see, it does have the puffy sleeves, which is something that I am very much into lately. It does have a bit of a deep neckline, but once again it cinches in at the waist and then flares out towards the rest of the dress, and we have these like ruffles going on down the bottom, which gives you that really nice curvy hourglass type of look. Along with that, it does come with a belt, so cinch that waist in even more and you look snatched. But yeah, I think the reason why I really liked this dress is because I felt like it flattered my figure really nicely. Like I said, it does cinch in at the waist and then flare out towards the bottom, and then we've got that extra ruffle goodness going on along the bottom as well. Like I said, definitely something that I wouldn't have normally picked for myself, but I ended up really liking it. The next piece that I have to show you guys, I thought was a dress, but it's actually a romper. So it is the One With Nature tropical romper, and can we just take a moment to look at this print? I feel like I would wear this on like a summer tropical vacay, which we're not going anywhere anytime soon, unfortunately, so it might be a while. But yes, the print is beautiful. I love the background color of this. It's like a really nice peach apricot shade, which I really like, and then of course we have the tropical floral and leaf print all over it, which I think is really beautiful. Once again, this is a piece that has puffy sleeves. You guys know that I am very much into that. I do feel like it has a very flattering cut around the chest area, and it also does come with a tie string. Now I believe on the pictures on the model they had the string tied like around the front, however I just felt like I wanted to tie it around the back, and I thought that looked really cute as well. It also has these button detailings going down the front of the romper as well, and I should also mention that it is double lined, which again I love that because you just know that nothing's going to show through. So yeah, we've got the printed fabric and then the lining as well, and I just love how this again cinches in at the waist and flares out around the bottom as well. Like I said, this isn't a dress, it's a romper, but regardless, either way, I just think this one is super cute. Next up, I have another romper to show you guys, and this is kind of staying along the lines of the tropical theme. So this is the Stay Beautiful romper in ivory green, and as you can see, it is featuring that beautiful leaf print all over it. I think these are like palm leaves, which I think is just so cute and definitely perfect for the upcoming summer months. I do like the fact that this has sleeves. It has sleeves which do flare out after the elbow, which make it look much more flowy and breezy. My only thing with this, and it's just a me thing, is that it is super low cut, and I don't have too much extra stuff going on in the chest area, so I feel like for me I would probably get a pin to pin up just a little bit, like the teeniest bit, because it's just a bit too low cut for me, but that's just my preference. But other than that, it is super cute. I also love how the back is open as well, so it's got that nice open back detailing going on. And yeah, I just feel like this romper would be perfect for like a nice spring afternoon. Back onto the dresses now. This one that I have to show you guys is the Always on the Prowl leopard mini dress. I actually thought this was cow print at first. I don't know. I just realized that it's not cow print. It is in fact leopard print, but it's like black and white. This one was very interesting. This isn't a style of dress that I would normally pick out for myself, but like I said, I wanted to try some new things throughout this haul. I do feel, however, that this style of dress is very trendy at the moment. I see a lot of people wearing dresses like this, especially with this silk satiny material. So yeah, it's pretty much just a short mini dress, and it does have sleeves. The sleeves are a little bit slit, so it does give that flowy look to them. And then the front of it does have that loose, relaxed look around the chest area. Now for the back, it is in fact backless, so we've got the strap up the top and then just a big gap down the rest of it, which I think is really flattering. And then for the back, the sleeves do come up around to button up and sit around the back of your neck, and then we have the whole back is backless, which I've just noticed a theme in this haul is that a lot of the dresses that I picked up are in fact backless, but I really liked it. I felt like this dress was super trendy, super cute. It went with the shoes really well as well. And yeah, I just think it's funny how I thought it was cow print, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, that ain't cow print at all. Next dress that I have to show you guys, once again, does have a high neckline. This is the Meet on Melrose Smocked mini dress. Now, as you guys can see, like I mentioned, it has once again the high neckline, and it also features sleeves with the little ruffles on the end. There's also ruffles along the bottom hemline of the dress as well, and as you guys can tell, it is super stretchy, which is a great thing because you don't have to worry about anything being too tight and restricting. So I love the fact that this is nice and stretchy. I also think the little floral print is so cute, and I just love the length of this dress. I think it's not too short but not too long, and out of all the dresses that I've shown you guys today, I would have to say that this one is probably the most comfy, purely for the fact that it is so stretchy, which I really like. And with this dress, I think it is perfect for spring, especially when it's like not too hot yet, because like I said, it does have the high neckline, and it is one of those dresses that you can dress up and dress down. I feel like you could wear this with heels or with a pair of white sneakers. But yeah, I think the reason why I like this one is because it is super cute and super comfy. So the last dress that I have to show you guys is probably my favorite out of all of them, and it is the Just Tight floral mini dress. Now this dress right here, I just love the way that it hugs my figure. I feel like it's super flattering. It is tight, but it's not restricting, and I feel like it is just super flattering. So as you can see from the fabric, it's like this netting material with a floral print all over it, and then along the sides of it, it is in fact like gathered and ruched up, just so that when you put it on, it does have that nice like gathered effect all along the front, and I feel like that's so flattering. Yeah, I really like this dress, if you guys can't tell. I also really like the length. You can of course like pull it down and stretch it out to make it look a little bit longer, but you can also kind of pull it up and gather the pieces of it a little bit so that it does give you that shorter look. But yeah, I love this dress. I love the print as well. You guys know I love plain white, but add a little bit of a print, like just a slight print to it, and I feel like that's my style. And this is definitely spring summer worthy. I feel like this could even pass, well yeah, it definitely would be more of a formal dress. Like you could wear this to a wedding, to any type of formal event. And yeah, I'd have to say that this is probably my favorite out of all the dresses that I've shown you guys today. So there we have you guys. That is everything for this haul. I want you to comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite or which one you thought suited me the best. As usual, I will have all of these items linked down in the description box, as well as all of my social media links if you guys want to follow me on any of those. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're still here at the end watching, you may as well subscribe. So don't forget to click the little red button down below before you go, so you don't miss any more videos that I post. With that being said, I hope you guys are having an awesome week, looking after yourselves and looking out for each other. I will talk to you in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video.
Don't slow the thing, I'm with the ones them and they just want blow the thing. And she also put my name, bro, she knows the thing. Yeah, I'm with the but don't show the thing. Are you a chiller?